Hello my dear friend, welcome to my channel. And in this video I am going to share with you how you can hide videos you like. Okay, so when you like others user video, then that video show your profile. Okay, so when someone come your profile, then they will able to see that you like the some videos. Okay, so if you want to hide this from your upcoming user, so you can easily do this. So how can you do this? Just follow my step, then you will learn. Here you can see the snack video apps. Click on this, and after that when you can see the option, this one. Okay, click on this, and after that we need to go privacy settings. Click on this and scroll down a little bit, then you will get the option here, hide videos you liked. So here you can see on turn on videos you liked on be shown to others user. Okay, so just turn it on and it's done. Okay friend, I hope this video was helpful for you, and today is no more. Thank you for watching this.